Hello my dear friends. I hope you are all doing well. I'm here with another video. In this video, we will start with the most basic English words from level A1 and gradually move up to level C2 through several videos. The videos will be published daily. Each video will be a short lesson and will be categorized. Make sure to practice each lesson well. Rest assured, by the end of this series, your vocabulary will have grown amazingly. Stay with me. House and apartment. Building. A structure with walls and a roof, such as a house or factory. The office building is downtown. Used to describe a large structure for living or working purposes. House. A structure used for residential living, typically a single-family home. They live in a big house. Refers to a structure where people live, often with rooms for living, sleeping, and eating. Home. A place where someone lives, often with family. Home is where the heart is. Represents a living place with emotional connection, not just a physical building. Apartment. A set of rooms forming a separate residence within a larger building. She rents a 2-bedroom apartment. Used to describe an individual living space within a larger structure. Floor. The surface of a room on which one stands. The floor is made of wood. Refers to the ground surface inside a building or room. Door. A hinged or sliding barrier for entry into a room or building. Close the door when you leave. Used to describe an entry or exit to a room or structure. Window. An opening in a wall or roof fitted with glass to let in light and air. She opened the window to let in fresh air. Refers to a glass-covered opening in a building for light and ventilation. Wall. A vertical structure that divides or encloses an area in a building. The wall needs painting. Used to describe the solid vertical surface that defines a room's boundaries. Room. An enclosed space in a building used for a particular purpose, like sleeping or eating. The room is spacious. Refers to an individual area within a house, designed for specific functions. Roof. The structure covering the top of a building to protect it from weather. The roof is leaking. Describes the top part of a building that shields it from the elements. Ceiling. The overhead interior surface of a room. The ceiling is high in this room. Refers to the upper surface of a room, opposite the floor. Living room. A room in a house for general everyday use, like relaxing and socializing. They watched TV in the living room. Used to describe a room for leisure and social activities. Dining room. A room where meals are eaten. We eat dinner in the dining room. Refers to a designated space for eating meals. Kitchen. A room used for cooking and food preparation. She is cooking in the kitchen. Describes a room equipped for preparing and cooking food. Bedroom. A room used primarily for sleeping. The bedroom has a comfortable bed. Refers to a room where people sleep. Bathroom. A room containing a toilet, sink, and often a shower or bathtub. He is taking a shower in the bathroom. Used to describe a room for personal hygiene. Garden. An outdoor area with plants, flowers, and sometimes vegetables. They grow flowers in the garden. Refers to a cultivated outdoor area near a house for plants or leisure. Upstairs. On or to a higher level of a building. The bedrooms are upstairs. Refers to a location on the higher floors of a building. Downstairs. On or to a lower level of a building. The kitchen is downstairs. Refers to a location on the lower floors of a building. Closet. A small room or space used for storing clothes, shoes, or household items. She put her coat in the closet. Describes a small enclosed space used for storage. Part. A piece or segment of something larger. The window is part of the wall. Used to describe a smaller segment of a whole object. Elevator. A mechanical device used for transporting people or goods between floors in a building. We took the elevator to the top floor. Refers to a device for moving between floors in a multi-story building. Yard. An area of ground next to a building, often grassy or enclosed. The kids are playing in the yard. Describes an outdoor space around a house or building, often used for recreation. Please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you'll be notified as soon as I upload a new video. By subscribing, you won't miss any of our educational content. Support me by liking the videos, sharing them with your friends, and sharing your thoughts and questions in the comments. Let's learn together.